Will you try this question? Till then, everybody joins. So, volume of, we were studying volume of cube and cuboid. Okay. Surface area of cube and cuboid we have already done. Now we were on the topic of volume of cuboid. So, what is the volume of cuboid? It is length into breadth into height. Okay. So, let's see the question. Okay. A wall of length 10 meter was to be built across the open ground. Okay. The height of the wall is 4 meter and thickness of the wall is 24 centimeter. Okay. So we have to make.
So should I tell how to do it?
Yeah, you tell me.
So first we can find the volume of the wall, which is length into thickness into height. So 1000 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 400 is 1 second. And that will be okay. I'll just keep it like that.
Okay.
So 10 into 24 into 400 centimeter cubed. Now the brick is.
You have to check that this is in meter. These two are in meter and this is in centimeter.
Yes, it's in centimeter. So the volume of each brick it will be 24 into 12 into 8 centimeter cubed. So the total like the wall is built up with the brick
Yes,
the
number
bricks.
of bricks.
So the volume of the wall will be the volume of each brick multiplied by how many bricks are required. So it'll be 1000 into 24 into 400.
Number of bricks is
divided by
volume.
20. And I think let me
You're saying this only, na? Number of bricks is equal to volume of wall upon volume of one brick. Yes, Aram?
That should be like 4,160 something.
Wait. Final answer you are saying, na? 4,167.
Yeah, it'll be
yes.
like 4.
Okay. And the final answer is 4,167. Okay. Very good, Aram. And then we have seen the volume of the cube. So volume of the cube will be what?
The volume of
Cube.
The cuboid.
No. Cube. Cuboid is length, breadth, height, and cube is a cube.
Cube is just a cube.
And we can see a small question here. Find the surface area and the length of the diagonal of a cube. Okay. We need to find out the surface area and the length of the diagonal of a cube if the volume of a cube is given. Okay. So volume of the cube is given. So what is the volume?
What we can do? We can take that volume and then square root it, and then we'll get the side. So
no square root. We have to do cube root. A cube is equal to.
It's written here, so it'll be like 13. Yes, so 13. And then the surface area of the cube will be 6 into side squares. So it'll be 6. It'll be equal to 6 into 13 squares.
Yes, so from here you are going to find out value of A. I'm directly writing 13 centimeter, and then surface area. Only surface area we have to find. Surface area and the length of the diagonal. Surface area is equal to 6a square. So you are going to put which is equal to 6 into 13 square, and diagonal is equal to root 3. So it will be 13 root 3. Today I think nobody is going to join. Shazan is also not there. Now today we are going to start right circular cylinder. Okay, so circular cylinders can be of different shapes also. Okay, little tilted and all. Okay, but we are talking about the right circular cylinder. Okay, the straight one. Okay, where the axis is at 90 degree to the base. Okay. So now how can we form this circular cylinder? First of all, now how can we form this circular cylinder? So circular cylinder can be formed by, first of all, we have what? We have two circular bases, okay, at top and at the bottom, okay, and a rectangle is rolled around it, okay, through its axis. ये आपका axis है, okay, and इस axis के along अगर आप एक rectangle को लेके fix करके एक side, if you are going to roll it, so you will form a circular, a circular form. Okay, so this is complete cylinder. Okay, where this is called the axis. This is called the axis. Okay, and this is your base, the top and the bottom. Okay, and then this part is your radius of the cylinder, radius of the base, radius of the upper base, all are same. Okay, and then this will be your height. Okay, anything missing? No. Okay, so this is all. Now, the fixed side of the rectangle about which it is rotated, it is known as the axis, okay, that I already explained you. Now, what are the terms that are related? We have already seen the base, okay. The two bases are there, one at the top and one at the bottom. And the circular part is between the two bases, and these two bases are parallel to each other, okay. Now, what are the axes? Axis is the line segment joining the centers of the two circular base and through which your cylinder we have rolled. Okay, axis of cylinder, and the axis of cylinder is always perpendicular. This is perpendicular to the base for right circular cylinder. This has to be perpendicular. Okay. Now, what is the radius? Radius of the whole cylinder. That means the circular base you will be taking. That is represented by R. Okay. Height, the height of the complete cylinder, and lateral surface area means just the curved surface area. Okay. This round portion. ये जो आपका ये आपका मान लो कि ये आपका रेक्टेंगुलर शीट है, इसको आप जब कर्व में राउंड करोगे ना, यहाँ पे एक सर्कुलर बेस आप लगा लो, ठीक है। इसके अराउंड इसको सर्कुलर बेस पे रिंग को रोल करोगे तो ये आपका ये वाला जो फॉर्म होगा ना, ये वाला, ये जस्ट ये पोर्शन, ये जो कर्व बनेगा अराउंड, ठीक है, वो आपका लैटरल सरफेस एरिया आ जाएगा। ठीक है, any doubt? Now, naturally, I was telling that circular cylinder can be of many different means non-circular bases can also be there. Okay, but we are talking about the right circular cylinder. Okay, the curved ones we are not going to prefer. Okay, now surface area of a right circular cylinder. So, what is the surface area of a circular cylinder? Okay, so for this, a little explanation. Okay, so how cylinder is formed. Okay, if you are going for curved surface area, तो आपका curved surface area is just the curved portion. Okay,
It's just like, ma'am, it's just a rectangle. You can just take the circumference of the circle.
Okay, yes.
And
This is a
that'll,
rectangle, and this is your height.
it will be the circumference of the circle into the height. That will be.
Yes, this is the length. Okay, and length of a rectangular, here the length will be equal to the circular circumference. Thus, the base is a circle and the circumference of this we will be considering. So actually the L will be equal to, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so this will be your length. Okay, so what is the area of your this circular sheet? Because this circular sheet will be used to roll, okay, and will form a cylinder. Okay, so area of this sheet will be, it will be L into H, so 2 pi r H. So that is the curved surface area, okay, of cylinder. So what is the curved surface area of the cylinder? That is 2 pi r H. Okay, it is actually length into height, and length is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so this is your curved surface area. Understood? Square unit, where r, we everybody know H is the height and r is the radius. Okay, now total surface area. So whenever we are taking total surface area, means, see, you have a cylinder, okay, and in this cylinder you have a top also and you have a bottom also. Okay, this circular ring, okay, ये जो circle है, ये आपका bottom में भी एक लगेगा, एक अब भी लगेगा, ठीक है। For curved surface area, it is open from both sides. जैसे when we are taking a cube, so we are not counting the floor and the ceiling. Same way, when we are taking a cylinder, we are not counting both the bases. Okay, now curved surface area when we're doing. So total surface area of cylinder, that is TSA, will be equal to CSA plus area of top plus area of bottom. Okay, and both are circle. So TSA is equal to 2 pi r H, and area circular area is what? Pi r square plus pi r square for up and bottom. So it will be 2 pi r H plus 2 pi r square, where you can take 2 pi r as common. So it will be H plus r. Okay, so this is your TSA. Okay, that is 2 pi r H plus r. Understood? That is your total surface area. Now, when we are saying the surface area of a hollow cylinder, so what will be the surface area of a hollow cylinder? Hollow cylinder means there will be two cylinder, one inside the another. Okay. When you see a pipe and it has some thickness, एक pipe है जिसकी कुछ thickness है. Okay, this is your thickness. Okay, and then this is a cylindrical pipe. Okay, ये आपकी cylindrical pipe है. So we need the inner portion also. ये अंदर वाले portion का भी हमें देखना होगा and outer portion भी हमें देखना होगा यहाँ. Okay, so when you are finding out the curved surface area, that is CSA, so both the portions curve area you have to find, the inside also and the outer also. Okay, so 2 pi RH, this R is for the bigger cylinder, the cylinder outside cylinder, and then the inner cylinder 2 pi RH. Okay, so you can take 2 pi H common, R plus R. Okay, so this is your curved surface area of the hollow cylinder. Similarly, when you are finding out the TSA of hollow cylinder, what it will be? CSA plus base plus top. Okay, now base will be equal to base area. It will be, what will the area of a hollow ring? Hollow ring is pi r square minus r square. Okay, so CSA is 2 pi h r plus r. Okay, for base also it is pi r square minus r square. No, pi r, no, wait, pi r square minus r square. Okay, yes, so it will be 2 pi h r plus r plus 2 pi r square minus r square. So you can see 2 pi can be taken as common, and in fact r plus r also can be taken as common. Okay, from r square minus r square you can expand r plus r and r minus r. Okay, so here in the first term h is remaining, and here r minus r will be remaining. So it will be 2 pi r plus r h plus okay, so this is your total surface area of a hollow cylinder. Okay, any doubt in this till here, Arham? You know why Shazan is not joined? He must join. I don't think any exam is going on in the school. Yeah. Okay, now
This
the
time it's
question.
half. Mine is like right now 3/4.
Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see the questions. Okay, the ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:3. Find the ratio between the height and the radius of the cylinder. So ratio of CSA and TSA is given. The ratio between the CSA and the TSA of a right circular. Okay, so CSA is to TSA is equal to 1:3. Now, what is equal to CSA? The curved surface area is what? 2 pi r h. Okay, and TSA is what? 2 pi r h. Sorry, 2 pi h r plus. What is the formula? 2 pi r. Yeah. Okay, is equal to 1:3. Okay. Now, if you see, you can cancel this 2 pi r h equal to 1/3. So, which is equal to 3h is equal to h plus r. Okay, so it will be 2h is equal to r. So it will become h plus r is equal to 1/2. So the ratio of h is to r is equal to 1:2.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot.
My voice is breaking. Actually, my net is unstable. I think.
Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. I'm sorry for running late.
Hello, Shazan. Is my voice now okay?
Yes, ma'am.
No, still not okay.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Arham is feeling that's not okay.
Now it's
Now it's fine. Okay. So I've already discussed the formula of Shazan of your right circular cylinder. Can you tell me the formula of right circular cylinder? That curved surface area. How do we get it?
Forgot about that.
And can you tell me the month? Which month is going on right now?
December.
December. And can you tell me in which month you will be having your exams?
December. Oh, ma'am, I know it's December.
It's December, and most probably for class 9, they take the exam in February so that they can start your 10th class little early. Okay. So in February, how you will be writing the exam? And it's 7. In fact, you can imagine that 10 days are already gone of December. Okay. So start practicing. Okay. and you have degraded yourself from the starting
Ma'am,
to now.
I'm practicing actually the old chapters also. I'm doing this.
Okay. Okay, I'll just quickly explain you. Okay, otherwise you'll not be able to do the questions. That's why. Okay, so whenever you're finding out the surface area of a right circular cylinder, so see what is the curved surface area. Curved surface area means the curved one. Okay, आप एक rectangular sheet लेते हो, उसको जब उसको round करके आप circular उसमें करते हो, तब आपको एक
Ma'am, you're asking CSA.
yes.
Ma'am, you should have told me CSA, ma'am. I like 2 pi. Yeah.
So you remember all the formulas of
Yes, ma'am, I
circular?
do remember. Like in short form, like TSA, CSA, and all.
So you should know na what is TSA and what is CSA. It is
Yeah,
curved
total
surface
surface
area.
area, curved surface area.
So that only I told you to tell me the curved surface and total. Okay, let's start with the question because it's not good to waste the time. So, okay, one more question. I'll copy one to both the questions. Question number 2 and okay. Do it. A rectangular sheet of paper 44 centimeter, 18 centimeter is rolled along its length and a cylinder is formed. Find the radius of the cylinder. You need to find the radius of the cylinder. And in the second one, an iron pipe 20 centimeter long has exterior diameter equal to 25 centimeter. If the thickness of the paper is 1 centimeter, then find the whole surface area of the pipe. First, tell me first one. This first one is very easy.
I will use the CSA formula.
What is the?
I will use the formula.
Yes, you have to use the formula.
2 pi RH.
Yes, for the second question. Right. So your 2 pi r h will be equal to 44 into 18 because this only will be used for your rectangular sheet is there, no? Rectangular sheet's area will be equal to your this. Okay. H is given rectangular sheet of paper 44 centimeter into 18 centimeters rolled along its length and the cylinder is formed. Find the radius. Okay, you can just directly take because always we write length into breadth. Sorry, length into length into breadth. So L will be you can just directly put 2 pi r because it's not given. H is also not given. So you don't have to apply the complete formula here only the circumference because यहाँ पे आपको h नहीं दिया अगर आपको h दिया होता तब आप 14 पूरा circumference का पूरा वो लगाते okay circumference of cylinder base only base you can write 2 pi r okay and 2 pi r is equal to length of rectangular sheet that I explained you how we calculate the CSA na, for that only okay. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. So whenever we write this measurement length into breadth we write okay. So here it is length into breadth or you can say in this case height is there because so 2 pi r is equal to 44 okay. So pi r is equal to so r is equal to 22 upon pi yes. So r is equal to 22 upon 22 into 7 okay. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Understood? Any doubt? Shazan, have you understood now? We are not going to apply curved surface area because height is not given, okay? And if you know the explanation of how to find out the curved surface area, how we find out that the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh, then you must have understood this, okay? Because we use a rectangular sheet only to form the cylinder, okay? And the rectangular sheet area is equal to the curved surface area, okay? Now the second one, an iron pipe 20 centimeter long has exterior diameter equal to 25 centimeter. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter, then find the whole surface area of the pipe. Now here it will be a what? Hollow cylinder? Yes or no? We have a hollow cylinder. So yeah, H is given in this question. H is equal to 20 centimeter and your R I'm not writing exterior radius or interior radius. I'm just capital R is for exterior, small r is for interior. So R is equal to 25 by 2 because it's a diameter. 25 by 2 means 12.5. 12.5 centimeter. Okay, and a small r will be what? Thickness is 1 centimeter. So आप inside चाह रहे हो अंदर वाले का निकालना है तो ये -1 centimeter in this, so it will be 11.5 centimeter. Okay, find the whole surface area of the pipe. So that means total surface area. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area is what equal to surface area of the curve surface area plus the surface area of the base and the bottom, 2 pi r plus r h plus r minus r. So this is your total surface area. You just have to put the values in this and you will find it. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how can we do this question? The cost of painting the outer curved surface area. Now here only the outer curved surface area is painted. The cost of painting the outer curved surface of a cylinder at rupees 1.50. The price per centimeter cube is given is 660. So the total cost or total expenditure that that was there for painting the total the curve surface area, in fact, okay, of the cylinder is 660. The amount is given already. The total amount is given. You don't need to find out. So what is there? If the height of the cylinder is 2 meter, height of the cylinder is also given. Then find the curve surface area of the base of cylinder. Okay. So we need to find out the curve surface of the base of cylinder. How can you find out? Any explanation? Shazan? Curved surface of the base of cylinder means that you have to find the circumference of the cylindrical base. Yes. So how we are going to solve this? For that you will just have to find out the R. Okay, because the circumference of the cylinder, circle is what? 2 pi r. So you need to find out r. And how can we find out this r? The height of the cylinder is given. So what is there? The height is 2 meter. Okay. CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And how can we calculate the CSA with the help of this price? See, you are going to paint just the curve surface area. Yes or no? आप सिर्फ कर्व सरफेस एरिया ही पेंट करोगे. तो अगर आपको प्राइस नहीं दिया होता, अभी मैं आपको बोलती कि we have to paint the curve surface area or the curved area of the cylinder. So आप क्या करते हैं? आप कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालते हैं और जो प्राइस होता है पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का वो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. यस और नो? यस. सो आप क्या करते हैं? प्राइस, टोटल प्राइस इज इक्वल टू CSA मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1.50, क्योंकि 1.50 जो है रुपीज 1.50 जो है पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का प्राइस है. ठीक है. दिस यू मस्ट हैव डन. सो आपको ये ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, ये भी दिया, तो आप कर्व सरफेस एरिया से निकाल सकते हो. कर्व सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? इज इक्वल टू टोटल कॉस्ट, दैट इज 660 अपॉन 150. Okay, 1.50. Okay, so you can just remove this. So CSA इसको आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सो इसको ऐसा करते हैं कि 1.50 की जगह 660 और 150 कर देते हैं. ओके, एंड 440. Okay, so आपका कर्व सरफेस एरिया that is 2 pi r h is equal to 440. Okay, and h we already know. What is the value of h? 2 meter. 2 meter, and this is in centimeter. 2 pi r को आप कैसे लिखेंगे? 2 into 22/7 into r into 200 is equal to 440. Okay, so r will be equal to what? 440 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22 upon 200. Okay, so r will be equal to what? 7 upon 20. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am. It will be. Ma'am, is it 7 by 20 or 4 over 7?
Yeah, 7 by 20.
No, I thought it's 4 by 20.
No, 440 into 7 upon 2 into 22 by 200. So I got 20. Yes. So now what? Yes, we have got the R. No? Now you can find out the cylinder, the circumference of cylinder. Okay. So circumference of the base of cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. So it will be 2 into pi into r. R value 7 by 20. 7 cut 2.2 centimeter. Okay, because 22 upon 10, so 2.2 centimeter. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now let's see. Just a minute. Now volume of cylinder we have to see. So what is the volume? volume of right circular cylinder. Okay, so volume of right circular cylinder is what? Volume of cylinder is equal to measure of the space occupied by the cylinder. Whenever we are means finding out volume of anything, that means the measure of the space that is occupied that by that object. Okay, or how much amount of anything it can hold. Okay, सिलेंडर का आपका वॉल्यूम निकाला मतलब उसके अंदर कितना चीज आप ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं और वो पूरा पूरा एज अ होल कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू द एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंड्रिकल बेस. आप वॉल्यूम क्यूब का कैसे निकालते हैं? उसका बेस का मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाइट, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. सिमिलरली वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इसको बेस का क्या होगा एरिया? It is a circular base, so pi r square, and the height of the cylinder is h, so pi r square h. Okay, and the same will be for the volume of the hollow cylinder. Only thing the difference is that instead of just r, you are going to, because in hollow cylinder 2r is there, so pi r square minus r square bracket h. Okay, so volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, and volume of hollow cylinder, just in place of r you are going to r minus r square h. Okay, I think you will remember this. So let's do some of the questions here. One more question. Okay, so you can start doing the question. Question number 5, question number 6. Now solve and tell me. Find the capacity of a cylindrical storage tank of height 4 meter and base diameter 8 meter. You don't have to do anything. You just have to put the values in the formula. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Shazan, can you tell me what is the volume of the cylinder?
Volume of cylinder. Yes.
Tell me. शजान, पहले जब क्लास स्टार्ट हुई थी तो मुझे बोलना पड़ता था शजान कि बाकी लोगों को भी जवाब देने दो, है ना? और अब ये है कि मुझे बोलना पड़ता है शजान तुम जवाब दे दो.
Pi r square h.
ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? पढ़ाई इधर बीच नहीं कर रहे हो?
I'm doing.
तो ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? इनफैक्ट फ्रॉम 9th ऑनवर्ड्स यू शुड गेट मोर concentrated towards your studies, because 9th तक जितना खिलवाड़ करना है ना आपको कर लेना चाहिए, because after this your more serious things started, because 10 से ना means things from 9th only the main thing is started. If you are going to not think about for your 9th 10th 11th 12th ना, so बाद का करियर बहुत बेकार हो जाता है if you're not focusing right now. Okay, because your 11th 12th is most important. That will decide your after career, what you are going to choose, what you are going to means in which field you will be able to do work. Okay, if you are going to spoil your 11th 12th and 10th, because your marks will be down in your 11th 12th in 10th and your boards. Okay, if your marks will be down, that will affect you. Okay, you'll not be good colleges will not accept you, or you'll not be able, in fact you'll not be able to give major exams also, because there is a minimum percentage is required. Don't spoil it. Okay, if you can do it, so don't spoil, because this is the time you have to get serious now there is no time for your till here only you can do all the jokes and all the masti and all. I'm not telling you to sit 24 hours and study. You can play games, you can play sports, everything. Okay, but set time. Okay, and your major concentration should be at studies. Those things, those playing and video games, all should just be a relaxation from your study, so that you can focus on your study. वो उसलिए होना चाहिए कि आप रिलैक्स हो सको अपनी स्टडी से और फोकस कर सको, because if you are sitting for 10 hours continuously, you will not be able to concentrate. Okay, so you need a little break so that you can concentrate on things, just to relax your brain. So it should be like that. Okay, now so your volume of the cylinder is pi r
square.
Yes. So already the height is given, h is given, and the diameter is given. So from diameter, you can easily calculate the radius. So you just have to put the values in the formula and calculate. So what is your value? That is what value? Volume is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is what? 4 square into 4. Okay, because the height is also 4. Okay. Understood? So you just need to calculate this, and after that you'll get the answer. Now, a cylindrical bucket of diameter 28 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. So bucket का diameter. Bucket radius is equal to 14 centimeter and height is equal to 12 centimeter, is full of water. The water is emptied into a rectangular tub. Now whenever we are emptying something in from one container to another, the volume remains the same. आप अगर पानी को जग से ग्लास में कर ट्रांसफर कर रहे हो तो जितना पानी जग में था उतना ही पानी आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो. हाँ, for example, if I having many glasses, so that is different. Or you can say from one vessel to another vessel or anything, if you are transferring any liquid or anything, so the same amount will be transferred. Okay, the volume will remain the same. So you are transferring the water from the bucket, cylindrical bucket, into a water empty into a rectangular tub. Okay, and the rectangular tub length is, ये आपका cylindrical का है, cylindrical bucket, and this is rectangular tub. Okay, rectangular tub का length है आपका 66, breadth है आपका 28 और height आपको पता करना है. Then find the height of water rises in the tub. Okay, now we don't have to find the height of the rectangular tub, we need to find out the height, how much it has risen when we transfer the water. Okay, so we can assume h is, we don't know, so we are going to assume h is equal to h. Okay, so volume, so volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of tub. Actually it is not equal to volume of tub right now, but since we need to find out the height according to your water. Okay, so I'm calculating what. Okay, so what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Okay, and the volume of a rectangular tub is length into breadth into height. Okay, so 22 by 7 into r, nothing mentioned now. Okay, r is your 14 into 14 into h is 12 is equal to 66 into 28 into h. Now you can simply find out the h from this. Okay, if you're going to put all the things at one place and then h on one side, then okay, so simply do 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 12 और ये पूरा एक साथ होगा ना, 2 18 into 14 equals 7 into 66 into 28. 4. Your height is 4 centimeter. Okay, understood? Understood or not, Shazan? Arham?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Arham? You understood? Now this is your question. You are going to do as a homework and then you can start it with your assignment. Or you can do right now also. And after this, I'm going to stop. You can take a screenshot